Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Garden of Reflections. Today, I'd like to share with you how to propagate violet from a mother plant, from a leaf. As you can see on the screen now, I have this one, this violet, and it turned to next one. This baby plant, it grows very beautiful now, and I have started another one in the springtime. This was about 2 months ago, and just cut off the leaf and put into this medium, and it grew the little baby plant again. And it's another one, so growing in the small pot, as you can see right here. It's very lovely, and just by looking at that. So now I'm going to show you how to cut this leaf out from the mother plant, and you just cut 1 or 2 of them, very gently cut into it, and you just take it out. And you want to see this little baby's leaf, and you want to cut them to an angle. Okay, I'm going to pause and show you how to cut them. This is how you cut it, the stem to an angle, so the baby leaf can come out from here. So that's very important. And same thing, show you again, close cut and little angle like this, slightly slanted, and you can see all the juice come out. The best way to prevent to get rotten is and you let it sit for maybe half days or 1 day, and before you plant it to the soil, so the little area, the cut area will a little bit dry out, so then you sit into the soil. It's a much better chance to not get too rotten. Okay, this is just my personal experience, so you can try. As the cut little wound area, the cut areas dry out a little bit, and then you can plant it to this container. And this one I like to plant to this container because I already have a little baby in there, and it's more space here. I would like to grow more here. And the medium I use is half of perlite mixed with peatmoss, and then you mix together and with a couple spray of the water. And that's it. And you don't want to get too wet on this medium. It will tend to rotten out the stem area. And so you just see, just gently push in there. And that's it for this one. Each time if you see too dry, just give a little mist like this, just 1 or 2 squirts of the water, and that will be fine. You don't want to get too wet on them. If you get too wet, the stem going to get rotten. They're not going to grow. So just leave it like this. That should be fine. If not, you can cover with the plastic and make a tent and cover with the plastic on the top, just like that. Not completely covered. Just keep it like this and give it a little humidity inside, and just leave it by the window sill, and check once in a while. Don't give it too much water. I always emphasize, don't give it too much water, and it should come out little baby, like that one, or you should have just like what I have like here. And more let it grow. You tend to this baby and come out like this, and this is all coming back from this one, and a big huge baby. And just get patient, and enjoy the process. That's all about the gardening. You enjoy the watching them grow and feel the life alive. That's a wonderful experience, isn't it? Okay, I hope you enjoy today's sharing. If you like it, please give us a thumb up and share with your friend. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.